So let's talking about AI a bit because AI is coming to change things forever. It's like it's a tech industry revolution. This happens every 30 years and stuff like that. So basically, if you're not learning AI, it's like you trying to stay behind. I've said this in a couple of videos, and this is Albania. AI government minister delivers first speech in Albanian parliaments. An AI figure has stepped into the political spotlight with the ministerial role steering hopes of cleaner governance while igniting heated debate. So basically, Albania appointed an AI minister. This has been a week ago, 2 weeks ago, in order to facilitate so many things like human do wrongs, especially things like fraud, corruptions, and all that. So this is, I think her name is Dalia, something like a Dalila. We're gonna see it. Albania has made history by introducing the world's first AI government minister, and name is Diela, right? Who gave her inaugural address to parliament this week, appearing in a video as a woman in traditional Albanian dress. Diela defended her appointment by she defended her appointment by stressing she was not here to replace people but to help them. She's also dismissed accusation of being unconstitutional, saying that the real threat to the constitutions from the public comes from what? From inhuman decision of those in power. Prime Minister Adi Rama announced that the AI minister will oversee all public tenders, promising full transparency and a corruption-free process. Look at the yellow, you can watch over here.
Disa më kanë quajtur antikushtetuese nga që nuk jam njeri. Kjo më ka lënduar. Jo për vete, po për 972.000 ndërveprimet me qytetarët që u kam shërbyer në Albania dhe 36.000 dokumentat me vulut digjitale që kanë marrë nga unë. Më lejoni t'ju kujtoj, rreziku i vërtet për kushtetutat nuk kanë qenë kurrë makinat, por vendimet njerëzore të njerëzve me pushtet. Unë nuk jam këtu për t'i zëvendësuar njerëzit, por për t'i ndihmuar ata. Vërtet nuk kam shtetësi, po nuk kam as ambicie personale apo interesa. Unë kam vetëm të dhëna, dije dhe algoritme të përkushtuara në shërbim të qytetarëve panshmërisht, me transparencë dhe pa u lodhur kurrë.
Can you believe this is AI? This is AI. I'm talking about artificial intelligence. AI. And man, this is stunning. And I'm not gonna lie to you, there's over like 7 people that have died from using AI incorrectly. Like ChatGPT killed about 7, if I'm not mistaken. 7 people. If you don't know where is Albania is, this is Albania. Yeah, you can see Albania is here. That's Albania. It's in Eastern Europe, right? It's called close to the Greek. Those in Macedonia, Montenegro, and Kosovo, and Italy. Like there's yeah. This is where Albania is. So AI minister in Albania, bro. I mean, like, if we continue reading over here, the opposition, however, but this is not like this is like it's crazy, man. You got to do everything to learn AI. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, does AI making people millionaire. Let me just ask ChatGPT if AI can make people millionaire and see what the answer is gonna be. Is AI making people future millionaire? Short answer is yes. AI is helping some people become millionaires and even billionaires, but it's not automatic. And it comes with risk, trade-offs, and big inequalities in who benefits. I can break it down for you. All right. This is ChatGPT. How AI can make people rich. Here are main pathways through which AI is already creating big wealth. Startups, founders, people who build companies using AI, whether they are tools, platforms, services, infrastructures, can see huge reward. For example, there are dozens of AI unicorns company valued at over 1 billion USD. And many founders of these firms have become billionaires. Investors, ventures capitalists, institutional investors, early backers of AI startups are benefiting when those startups raise large rounds, increase in value, or exit via IPOs or acquisition. AI powered business, side project. Individuals are using AI tools to build smaller scale product, uh, SaaS, AAS, apps, AI assistants, freelance, service, content generation. That scale, they are story of people who started with modest investment time, leverage AI, created a product, and made good income or sold it. Bro, there is a lot of things like for example, I know this guy called Nas Daily. Um Nas Daily on Facebook. What he does is he's been building an AI school, right? If you don't, I'm sure you know Nas Daily. He's been building an AI school. So most of his content now on Facebook. Look, he has 14 million followers, subscribers on his YouTube, and then he has 22 million followers on Facebook. And now you're gonna have to see this. Nas Daily, he doesn't create content himself anymore. He lets the AI create his own content.
100 every single day. We made a video using AI for 100 days. And I learned a very important lesson. Wait, why am I a human? Let's go into AI one last time.
There we go.
For 100 days, I showed you empires that fell, people who died, religions, parables, prophets, countries.
So as you can see, guys, basically Nas Daily has been using AI contents like for 100 days. So I mean, there is a lot of things now. There is uh Nano Banana VO. Now there is um CapCut. Like everything's like now automated, bro. Like Meet Journey and all that. Like put your prompt, create something, and voila, you got your story. Sure, you don't need to use a fancy camera. A lot of people are actually making money on YouTube just by selecting faceless channels. Faceless channels are making millionaires on YouTube, and you are not doing anything. You are a marketer, like a marketing business owner. Everybody is using AI. That's why you see the fight of AI is going so hard. Guys, as you can see, the minister of Albania is an AI. I mean, people on Facebook, YouTube is the home of faceless channels, and that's it. So you let me know in a comment what stops you from creating AI. if you are a blogger, you are a vlogger, you are a writer, you are a content creator, you are an entrepreneur, marketing, like a business, a developer, like everything. Let me know in a comment below. And if you don't know, I'm gonna send you to the right people that know, because you need innovation. You cannot stop the sun from rising. You need to learn something. All right. I remember this quote from Cindy Kowach, who once said, technology is the equalizer. You never go to fancy schools. Technology is here. You never go to fancy university. Technology is here. You never done something that you couldn't do, like when you were a kid, like your parent couldn't afford. Technology is here, right? Now there's free courses. I've always preaching people about education, right? Some people say education is not that important, but me, oh, come on, man. Like, I'm like, it's not that important. You cannot even calculate. How come education is not even that important? All right? You cannot even convert milligram to kilogram. How come education is not that important? You cannot even measure your height. You don't even, I mean, it's important, but it's not just everything. We need something to accompany that's education so we can leverage. Guys, please, if you're watching this, hit the button subscribe. Hit the button subscribe. If you see any value in this video, share this on your story, on your WhatsApp, and give it a like. You might be not needing this, but someone in your community, your friends, your sister, brothers, siblings, they might be needing this. Okay. And if you want to help us continue creating content, please click the join. If you already subscribed, just click the button join, and then you can be our first member. Like, there is 4,880 4,185 subscribers over there. So be our first member. It's gonna be a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? Some people always say, like, when you share something, that something is gonna bring more blessing to you, and those prayer, they're gonna open more door for you. So make sure to be our first our faced member, and it's gonna make me feel so great, guys. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.